Hi, Rebecca here at the Fuel Box. Today we're coming with you on a how-to video. We have our boss's Ford Super Duty, the F450 dually, and he has our Fuel Box combo, the FTC80. And on this box, he has the TP13 transfer pump with the inline fuel filter. So today we're going to be showing you how to change that inline fuel filter. It's super easy, so we'll get to it and show you what you need and how to do it. Okay, as I said, he has the FTC80 fuel box combo. So this one is a little bit different than the other fuel box combos that we offer. So you see here, once you shut the toolbox, it has the filler neck and all the fittings on top. So for the transfer pump on this one, it has a pipe thread for the pickup tube. So everything is going to be located over here, and it's mounted all the way to the side on the passenger side with the pickup tube and fuel hose in the side right here on the toolbox. Typically everything would be inside the toolbox area. So this does have a pipe thread. This is the pickup tube fuel line for the TP13 transfer pump. The parts and tools you will be needing for this job, we have the inline fuel filter here. We have the Napa Gold filter, part number 4006. You can get that at any parts store. Some motor oil, Phillips screwdriver, a hose fuel pick. We have a 7/16 wrench, or you could use a ratchet with a 7/16 socket and a 9/32 socket. And then optional, we have a hose plier that you can use but is not necessary, and this is everything you will need to get the job done. When it comes time to change your filter and you're worried about a lot of fuel left in the lines and the fuel filter, you can disconnect the fuel hose from your pickup tube, and then once we do that, we are going to turn the pump on and just have the nozzle run back into your fuel tank. So that way any of that excess fuel will just go back into your fuel tank and no longer be in the fuel lines and fuel filter. Next, we are taking off the electrical cap from the TP13 transfer pump. That way we will have access to move the pump away from the toolbox inside. So now we have unbolted the transfer pump mounting plate from the toolbox there. So we have more access to change this inline fuel filter. So now we have the new filter put on the filter base for the TP13 transfer pump, and we are going to bolt the mounting plate back together and just put to hook it all back up, and you have your new filter on your TP13 transfer pump. After you have your pump mounted, you're going to go ahead and make sure the O-ring is back on the pump securely and hook up the electrical inside your cap.
2 red wires.
You have the 2 red wires that go together and the 2 black. Make sure to not get those confused, that is important. We have those connected, we will bolt that back to the pump. Now we have the pump all back together. Last thing we don't want to forget is to hook up back the pickup tube. Now we have the fuel hose back onto the pickup tube fitting. The clamp nice and tight, but not too tight. Everything is back in place with a brand new filter, and you are good to go. Now that this is all complete and put back together, we are just going to run some fuel through it back into the fuel box and make sure we have no leaks. That's the end of this how-to video for changing the TP13 inline fuel filter. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach us via our phone or email. That information will be listed down below. It is important to change this inline filter to keep the life of your transfer pump. We'll be sending you guys some more how-to videos. Have a great day.